Editing with AI has come a long way. Now, you can do things like swap faces, remove objects, or make precise changes, all without ever touching Photoshop. Tools like ChatGPT are great for this, but Nano Banana takes it to another level. It's able to keep details consistent and making iterative edits feel effortless. Welcome to Idlestudios. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to edit images using natural language with Gemini in Google AI Studio. And to push things further, we'll take Nano Banana out for a real test drive so you can see where it shines and how it stacks up against the competition. Getting started is simple. Head over to the Google AI Studio, log in, and click Try Nano Banana from the What's New section. There's no extra software to download, no complex setup. Just type in your idea, click Run, and you're off. For this demo, I wanted to swap a different character onto an album cover for one of our singles called I'm Quitting. If I were doing this in Photoshop, it probably would have taken me several hours. Now, I'll admit, it's been a few years since I last used Photoshop. But even with the newer tools, there's still a lot of masking, layering, and refining involved. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is upload the album art. I click the plus button in the prompt window to insert the picture. I select Upload File, choose my image, and click Open. I'm not even giving it a prompt, just uploading the image. Go ahead and delete the default text and click Run. Google will provide you with a sample prompt based on what it sees in the image. Go ahead and remove the prompt that Google generated by going to the three dots in the top right corner of the prompt and selecting Delete. Next, I'm uploading a picture of our actor and entering the prompt, replace the head of the actor on the album cover, I'm Quitting, with this actor's head. I click the plus button in the prompt window to insert the picture. I select Upload File, choose my image, and click Open. With the prompt and actor defined, click Run and let's generate it. This actually turned out really good. Next, I am going to remove his hat by prompting Remove Beanie. It removed the beanie, but it added the glasses back. So let's fix that and remove the glasses too. Much better. But actually, the glasses kind of worked. We'll go with aviator sunglasses and add a black bandana across his forehead. And since there's an explosion happening around him, we'll spike his hair for good measure. This type of editing is still pretty new. ChatGPT can handle it too, but Nano Banana really shines in a couple of key areas. Nano Banana excels at natural language multi-step editing. You can, for instance, tweak lighting, add objects, or swap outfits while keeping the rest of the image unchanged. It handles these complex instructions with remarkable consistency. Nano Banana typically delivers results in about 10 seconds, compared to up to a minute for ChatGPT's image generation, even with faster models. When editing portraits or familiar subjects, Nano Banana preserves facial details and identity more reliably, keeping the person looking like themselves, even though the wardrobe or scenario changes. Right now, using AI Studio and Nano Banana is completely free, but I'm sure that won't last forever. If you get the chance, go try it out. It's a powerful tool that can make quick work of those projects you've had sitting on the back burner. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to stay updated on future content here on the channel.